On September 10, 2025, Larry Ellison didn't just break records. He became a walking emblem of how wealth, power, and US's strategy collide. Oracle's stock surged 12%, shooting the company's market cap to a staggering 800 billion and temporarily crowning Ellison the richest person alive at 367 billion, surpassing Elon Musk. The spike wasn't random. It was orchestrated by Washington's subtle hand. It all began with the 300 billion multi-year AI deal with OpenAI, a contract that cemented Oracle's grip on cloud infrastructure for the future of artificial intelligence. Then came TikTok, America's political weapon disguised as a social app. After the 2024 PAFACA threatened to ban it, the US blinked, but only on its terms. TikTok had to store all data on Oracle's cloud, while algorithms came under American oversight. Suddenly, the company wasn't just a tech giant, it became a gatekeeper of global digital influence, funneling billions through US approved pipelines. The optics alone were jaw dropping. Rumors of a $500 billion deal circulated, driving frenzy, while the real prize was long term cloud dominance and control over TikTok's vast user base. A $1 trillion economic shock was avoided. Oracle's stock shot up 15% in a week, and Ellison's connections to Trump added a layer of ethical intrigue, a whisper that power and politics are inseparable in America. The savagery? The US didn't just regulate or negotiate, it engineered a windfall for insiders, secured strategic control over AI and social media, and flexed its influence globally, all while appearing to act in national security's name. Wealth wasn't earned, it was carefully, ruthlessly orchestrated. Ellison's rise wasn't luck, it was the ultimate lesson in how policy, politics, and private empire collide in America's corridors of power.